video we are going to learn how to print out the data in a PDF format. So whenever you have a same data type or any other data type, so how we can do manually, go to file and the print, and then we select and then the which format is the PDF format. But in a macros we can do it within a one button, or we can say as a in a recorded form or as well in the VBA code as well. So in a recorded form, how you can perform, as go to developer tab and use shortcuts as a Alt F11. Okay, Alt F11. Now then go to record macros and start your recording, as I already told you in the last video. So you can start a recording and then go to your, if I want to start recording, now go to the start recording, click it. Now the recording is, let me give the name of this recording, for I just want to print, so I give it as a print. And this name matched to, okay, maybe I already gave this name for sheet print PDF. Okay, yes, so recording is started. You can see here is the option stop recording. It means the recording has started. Go to the file, go to the print section, and here we have the PDF. Okay, the print out as a PDF or whatever you want to do it as, print to PDF. Now as a copy is 1, setup page. Okay, now print. Okay, so this will be saved in your macros, and when it's happened, then stop that recording now. Okay, and if you want to see that recording, go to the macros, and here is a print PDF and run that. So that will perform as same as we already did. So, and another way is to perform using a code. So that is only 2 line of code. I will show you that. Go to developer, go to Visual Basic. Okay, when you want to write a code, go to Visual Basic. Now the Windows is open, this one. Now in this window, search out which was your sheet. Okay, I gave it as a name print, so sheet L8, and click on, right click on that and insert a module. So this module is created as a module 9. Now sub is for substitute, starting with the sub, and the name of that code is a print selection, because whatever I selected I want to print in a PDF format. So that's why selection dot print out, and then copy is equal to, I want to 1 copies, collect is equal to true, and n sub, and control S for a save, and go to your main sheet. Now here is the insert tab. Go to insert in a developer, draw your button and right click on the button and go to the assign macros and search out where was your that code. I already saved it as a name, print selection. And okay, click on that. Now click on this button, you can see now printing. Whenever I give here name, as this PDF will save as a PDF. Okay, so this is about how to save one sheet as in a PDF.